Hey there, welcome back to SSBeauty, where we're all about helping you guys look and feel your best. Today we've got something very special for you. We're sharing 10 grooming tips that every guy must know, should know. It's an absolute necessity. So let's start with what we aim for first thing in the morning, the morning glow. Now, you must have seen this on social media where everybody's dipping their face in ice cold water. And it's a brilliant hack, I'll tell you why. Now, it not only reduces puffiness, but also tightens your pores, giving you that fresh, energized look. Now, you can of course use ice cold tap water as well, but I like to shock the body sometimes. Now that our skin is up and energized, let me introduce you to the power of double cleansing. This two-step wonder is a grooming game changer. We start with an oil-based cleanser, which acts like a magnet for excess oil and dirt. Then shift to a water-based cleanser, diving deep into your pores, leaving your face clean as a whistle. I'd say double the cleansing, double the freshness. Now this next one is a hack that's gonna turn your dull skin into a glowing masterpiece. Let me introduce you to the coffee face scrub. The caffeine here helps stimulate blood flow, making your skin look brighter and more awake, while the aloe vera extracts in it help hydrate and nourish. So you're not just scrubbing away the old, but also pampering the new. Now, if you know me, you know how much I stress over sunscreen application. And no, it's not just about you stepping out in the sun, but also you guys sitting home right now watching this video on your screen. Take sunscreen to be your secret weapon against premature aging, dark spots and skin damage. Please make sure that you find a minimum of SPF 30 and use this daily, even on cloudy days, pun intended. Also apply it on your neck and hands as they are exposed too. For us bearded men, I literally used to be a part of 2 days ago. We should use these beard oils and balms to keep them hair neat, because trust me, it's a subtle change, but it'll make a hell lot of a difference. I prefer using this beard balm by 1821 to maintain my manly mooche currently, while you can also apply this beard growth oil by Mancode to help stimulate an even growth. Now tell me, what are your thoughts on makeup? I don't know why men usually shy away from it. I'd suggest you try this concealer stick from Arcelia and see how it changes your life. It's the easiest way to fix your blemishes and those dark circles under your eyes. Now with all the products used on your face, you might feel a little shiny, but don't worry, I have just the right thing for you. A light dusting of this translucent powder can keep oil at bay and give you a nice matte, natural look. Now let's work on the finishing touches. And what's a look without a perfect hairdo? This might help. Try products like a hair clay, a small amount of which can help tame unruly hair and give you that effortless look. Well, the final step in grooming is undoubtedly the scent. I have the TABAC Original or the Cologne, the woody notes of which will definitely leave a lasting impression. And finally, the last tip I have for you is confidence, because that is the key. Grooming is not just about looking good, but also feeling good, because when you're confident, it shows. And there you have it, 10 grooming tips that every guy should know. Remember though, grooming is about self-care and self-confidence. So try and experiment with these tips, see what works for you. And if you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the SSBeauty YouTube channel, and maybe share it amongst your friends. Stay sharp.